welcome to my new vlog. Today we are at the most beautiful attraction in Mysore, which is the Mysore Palace. And right now I'm at the ticket counter, and Mysore is known as the city of the palaces, and there are 7 palaces, and this is the main one called the Old Fort. I'm going to show you the palace from the inside. It's going to be great and has a very good and beautiful history to it. I'm going to tell you everything about it, so just guys stay tuned for the end of the vlog. It's going to be a great vlog, guys. So as we were going to our next destination, Ooty, we decided to stop here, and it was Paras Bhai's idea because it's like a world famous attraction and people come here in thousands. I'm going to show you the front, and this is a very auspicious temple. Now just have a good view of the palace from the front. Guys, the first palace, which was known as the Old Palace, was burned down in 1896 because of some wedding during Dasera, and it was burned to ashes. And this was newly made, and it was constructed by a British architect. This was the stay place of the Vadiyar dynasty, and this palace faces the Chamundi Hills, which is also a very beautiful attraction in Mysore. The cost to build this new one was $30 million. Very beautiful piece of architecture you can see behind me. It is so well maintained. I'm going to show you the palace from the inside too, but I wanted to show you from the front first because this is such a massive structure. Guys, the tower you see on the top is about 145 feet, and it was expanded, the full palace was expanded in 1930s, and the interior of the palace is a bit of Mughal architecture, a bit of Rajput architecture. And this is the public wing that was made later. Vadiyar dynasty was the last ones to just reside in this residence, and then it was like a tourist attraction. Guys, there are 2 darbars in this palace. The one you see, this one and that one. And the width of this palace is 256 feet. And now me and Paras Bhai will be going inside to see the interior of the palace. Guys, I am at the entrance of the palace, and definitely to see such a beautiful monument it won't be free. So the ticket costs 100 rupees, which is worth every penny to see this beautiful monument of architecture. And Mysore is famous because of this Mysore Palace. When I was coming on the road, I just saw the Chamundi Hills, which is a very beautiful attraction too. It's a temple, but it's on top of the hill, so we won't be going there this time. Maybe some other time. Look at these big guns. These look so cool. This is the interior of the palace, and it's a museum kind of a thing. And look at the size of the wheels in them. So guys, you know that's a palace. That's why look at the dome and the finishing. As I told you, it's Mughal Rajput architecture. There's beautifully kept temple and balls inside. But these domes look beautiful. Guys, just look at the color of this palace. This looks like the main hall of the palace, and these huge chandeliers, the architecture, these poles, they have so much history to it. It's built in such a beautiful way. Guys, some years back there would have been such a procession here on some big occasion. This palace is so well maintained. You can see all the good detailing on the pillars. The chandeliers look so old. And I'm going to show you all the history to it, all the Maharajas, the important ones. Guys, I'm going to share a personal experience with you. Just looking at this architecture, these big chandeliers, these halls, I feel a little scared because during my childhood, Bhool Bhulaiya was my biggest fear, and this reminds me a little bit of it. Hope Manjulika doesn't stay here. All these old paintings of all the important Maharajas. They are so well kept and they are all hand painted. This was one of the most important kings who has helped to build this kingdom again. Look at these cute baby paintings. And here we have a family portrait of their family. Guys, coming here and seeing all these chairs and old architecture, I was feeling very nostalgic because I've seen something very similar in Russia and their old architecture in the Tsar Museum and Hermitage Museum. And in future, I have shot many clips, and if I want, I could have make a small compilation of my videos, and I'll show all my viewers the Russian Hermitage and old Russian architecture, old chairs, like the jewelry they own, the beds, everything was in on that video. I wish I was vlogging back then. Guys, the thing you're gonna see next is the carriage of the king in 1970 when the procession of the Chamundeshwari Devi procession was going on. He was on this beautiful golden carriage, and just have a look at it, it's so nice. The Krishna Raja, this king, you can see he was the one who was instrumental in building this beautiful Mysore palace. These blue pillars that you see behind me, if you Google Mysore Palace, this is the most evident thing they show. It's such a beautiful walk. It is so well maintained, so well painted. All these architectures untouched. Just look at these beautiful ceilings. And that was the part of the front gate. I was standing there at the start of the vlog. Those are the seats for important ministers. Guys, this place never fails to impress. Look at this golden architecture. It's so beautiful. That might be the place where the king would sit. This looks like his real palace, and it actually is. Guys, behind that wall is the place where the king used to sit. This is the main room, the place where he used to sit, relax. I don't know much about what he used to do during the day, but I know that this place is built very well by him. Guys, me and Paz Bhai just bought this new extra ticket so that we can see this beautiful king's throne. We are done with the tour, guys, and we are at the exit, and that's the last Maharaja of Mysore till 2013. That's what's written there, and he looks so cool with all these goggles.